With the Shure AONIC 50 Gen 2 active noise-cancelling headphones, Shure, a well-known brand in the audio industry, has once again entered the wireless headphones market. With a number of noteworthy improvements, the AONIC 50 series' second iteration is a strong competitor in the wireless headphone market. One of the standout features of the AONIC 50 Gen 2 is its embrace of spatial audio. Shure has implemented a proprietary spatial audio algorithm that offers 3 distinct modes: music, cinema, and podcasts. This innovation provides users with an immersive and tailored listening experience, adding depth and dimension to their audio content. The headphones also support Qualcomm Snapdragon Sound technology and aptX adaptive for lossless audio transmission. This ensures that every note and nuance of your music is faithfully reproduced, making it a compelling choice for audiophiles and music enthusiasts. Moreover, seamless Bluetooth connectivity minimizes the chances of dropouts or audio glitches, allowing for uninterrupted enjoyment of your favorite tunes. Battery life is often a crucial factor in choosing wireless headphones, and the AONIC 50 Gen 2 doesn't disappoint. With an impressive 45-hour battery life, these headphones can keep the music playing for extended periods, whether you're on a long-haul flight or a marathon work session. In terms of appearance and build quality, Shure has opted for a sleek aluminum frame and synthetic leather padding, ensuring both durability and comfort during extended listening sessions. The headphones come with a zippered hard shell case, offering protection when not in use, and making them travel-friendly. Sound quality and noise cancellation have also seen significant improvements in this second-generation model. The AONIC 50 Gen 2 features 50mm drivers that deliver rich and immersive sound, and the hybrid noise cancellation technology is a notable upgrade from its predecessor. Equipped with 6 built-in microphones, these headphones not only provide exceptional audio quality, but also excel in call quality, making them suitable for work-related calls and video conferences. Shure has opted for an all-black appearance with the AONIC 50 Gen 2, giving it a sleek and modern appearance that complements its high-quality materials and construction. Now, let's talk about affordability. Despite the premium features and top-notch performance, the Shure AONIC 50 Gen 2 headphones are priced competitively at $349. This pricing strategy positions them as a compelling option for those who demand high-quality audio experiences without breaking the bank. With these headphones, you're getting excellent value for your money. In summary, the Shure AONIC 50 Gen 2 active noise-cancelling headphones represent a significant evolution of the AONIC 50 series. With spatial audio, lossless codecs, low latency, and enhanced noise cancellation, Shure has positioned this model to compete with established brands like Bose, Sennheiser, and Sony. As Shure continues to make inroads into the wireless headphone market, the AONIC 50 Gen 2 stands as a compelling choice for those seeking a premium listening experience. Thank you for watching our videos. Your support is very important to us, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and see you soon.